Action. Hi, this is Audrey Ann, aka Teacher Ann, and today I'm going to share with you the props that I use the most often in my classes. Every teacher has a different amount of props, some have more, some have less, but here it's really the ones that I use the most often. If you're new to teaching online and wondering what you should have in your classroom, you'll notice that you don't need really much to get started. Let's get the obvious out of the way. A whiteboard. This is the cheapest, best investment you will do for your online classes. This one is magnetic, and usually I will write the student's name on the board. I ask the students what color they like, and then I write their name on the whiteboard. One thing that has guaranteed me some smiles is after I write their name, I ask them how they are. And when they say, I'm good, I'm happy, then I come and draw on their names and transform it into something cute. I use this smaller whiteboard if I want to write words, sentences, or even if I'm traveling. This is extra thin and I can use it on both sides. Before teaching kids online, I already had some toys around the house. I found some puppets at Costco, IKEA, and Walmart. You can find puppets pretty easily, or if you're creative, you can even make one by yourself. Some of my favorites I've been using are the monkey. For some reason, the kids love monkeys because they can be all silly and make funny faces. So yeah, it's a good one. I have this one that I found at, no, scratch that. I mean that my mom found at IKEA, and she sent me a picture asking me if I wanted it for my classes, and I said yes, of course. I'm not sure if it's a dragon or a dinosaur, but yeah, I guess it can be both. The kids love it. Which kid doesn't know who Peppa the Pig is? This one squeaks and it sure makes them laugh. And it happens so often that the kids had like a Peppa Pig toy or a Peppa Pig shirt, so it's great to relate with the kids. And at the very top of my list of the puppets I use the most often would be my finger puppets. Perfect for counting, learning the animals' names, or to have role plays. How are you? I'm good. To travel, wonderful. How can I forget the famous Mr. Potato? I use Mr. Potato for so many things. If we're talking about ears, eyes, nose, if we're learning look, smell, listen. It's perfect too when we're practicing prepositions. Where is the hat? On. Where are the eyes? In. Mr. Potato can be used for a reward system as well. Oh no! Ta-da! Great! Next thing I like to include in my classes is a little music. I can use it to get the attention of the kids back, or if I feel an activity is a little repetitive, then we can say or read the sentence by singing. They'll be super excited to show me if they play an instrument too. The next props you probably already have because there are things we can find around the house. It could be a shoe, a toothbrush, a plant, or in this case, a fake one. Books, my favorite cup. If we have an activity where I'm trying to get the kids to go fast, then I pretend to be exhausted. And then it's a good opportunity to get one more shot of caffeine. So basically, you can use anything that's around the house that you feel relates to the class. Some use flashcards, but I just use this little pad where I drew inside some useful things like dialogues, colors, animals. So it's portable and well organized. I love to see what other teachers are up to get inspired, so please comment below what are your favorite props. Thanks for watching. Bye. And cut. Whew. Was that okay? Should we do it again? Yeah.